Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to post pictures on Reddit from phone. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Reddit app right here. And once we open our Reddit app, to post a picture on Reddit, the next thing that we need to do is to click this create icon right here, or the plus icon on the middle bottom of our screen, which is right here. So just click that, and then after that you will be redirected right here. Now the next thing that we need to do is to click this image icon right here, and then after that it will open your gallery. So just choose which image you want to post. So let's say for example I want to post this 5 images right here. So just click that and then click add, and then once you do that, it will now be automatically added right here. Now if you want to add some title, you can also do that like this. Then if you want to add some body text, you can also do that. And then after that, once you're now done with this, just click next. And then after that, just choose which community you want to post this. So let's say for example that this is the one that we want to post, which is right here. And then after that, just click yes and continue. And then after that, once you have selected the community, just post it and you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.